So what's up, guys? I'm gonna put this little license plate mount. It's just some type of plastic. So what we got here is these little covers. I'm guessing this is acting as the washer, and then this is a cap that goes on top. Looks like crap up here, but someone had stolen my license plate because I have DV plates. So free parking for somebody else, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna mount this and drill these screws right into the plastic. Got the license plate off. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this in here. Just rolls on like that. Simple. So it comes with these pieces here, right? You got the outer cap, and then you have this acts as a washer too. So you're gonna put it on this way, and then you'll drill the screw in through like that. After you do that, you'll push this cap on, okay? And we'll go ahead and center this up here. Then we'll put the little cap on. There you go. And just do the same to the back side and you're good to go. If you like this video, hit the like button for us and consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate it. See you on the next one.